Uptown Swing, level 4.
Peter Lau.
This is the culmination of our swoops, swaps, swips, whips, and swoops with dips and dops month. So we did swing out swoop. We did loop, they do, shoo, wap, zoom, rock, step. Leaders, you gotta go like this: rock, step, swoop. Do yourself and all leg power. Followers, do you remember they had to do that, not turning themselves?
Yeah, so you really don't want to do this.
Nothing to swoop thing.
It's rounder, because they're kind of like play jacket. You continue going that way, but you're facing them still.
That is right. Then we did the wiggle wheels.
Yeah.
So we did rock, step, wop, wop, boom, bam, boom, and then the even beats there. Hey. So let's put some timing on that. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We didn't totally get to that finish, but that's it, so you can practice. Then we did our freaky one.
Yeah.
Bop, 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 shot, bop, bam, bam, bam into the drags. And we also did.
Want to go that way?
Thank you. Thank you. I think this will be. Let's go. We're going this way again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 1.